The Grand Bazaar of Iran, or Iran Mall, located in the 22nd district of Tehran, is one of the most important commercial centers in Iran, which in addition to numerous stores, also has various amenities and entertainment facilities. Iran Mall, one of the top 5 properties in the world and one of the largest commercial, cultural, and social projects in Iran and the Middle East. This complex has extraordinary facilities such as shopping malls, amusement park, cinema campus, sports complex, and hotel, which is both a place for shopping and entertainment. In the following, we will introduce Iran Mall and all its parts, and we will become more familiar with this collection. The area of Iran Mall belongs to 1,669,504 square meters, and is in the ranks of the world's largest malls in the world. The distance to visit the whole project is the same as walking on Valisur Street from Monterey Square to Tajrish. And if you want to walk only in the commercial part of the Iran Mall project and take about 5 minutes to visit each shop, it takes about 3 days. It will take time to visit all the stores. Iran Mall is one of the honors to win the title of the best multi-purpose commercial complex in the Middle East, in one of the most prestigious malls in the world called Mappic. And in 2017, it won the award for the best mall in the world in terms of dimensions, service, cultural, and entertainment spaces. Received World, RLI. One of the features of this shopping center that makes it different from similar properties in the world is that 70% of its space is used for recreational, cultural, tourism, religious, sports, service, welfare, and parking. Although Iran Mall is one of the most comprehensive and largest shopping centers in Tehran, it is not just a commercial and shopping center. This mall has attractions and spectacular sections that are designed and built inspired by the architecture of traditional and original Iranian buildings and create a sense of the past in a modern place. We suggest that you visit the attractions of this mall no matter why you go to Iran Mall. It has not been long since February 2018, when the 37th Film Festival unveiled the silver screens of Iranian cinema, but at the same time, the family of Iranian cinema has realized that if they want to see their films in a world-class quality, there is no better place than Iran Mall. Iran Mall Cinema Complex, which includes 12 cinemas, is undoubtedly the most advanced cinema in the country. 3 VIP halls, along with 9 other halls, offer a significant variety of cinema hall capacity to the audience. Of course, the facilities of all saloons are equal in aspect of audio and video distribution, and all of them are equipped with the most modern equipment in the world cinema up to date. Although Iran Mall Hotel and World Trade Center are still under construction, these 2 important centers in assessing the importance of Iran Mall cannot be ignored. The hotel, of course, is in the final stages of construction and is about to be equipped, and will soon become one of the most important accommodation centers in Iran. Also, the World Trade Center, which is a beautiful tower in the west of Iran, will be dedicated to the offices of large national and international companies and various commercial and administrative uses. It is clear that Iran Mall, right now, is the most important multi-purpose center of Iran and one of the most important structures in the region and the world. Maybe when you step into an ultramodern collection as a customer, guest, or visitor using the latest technology in the world, you do not expect to find yourself in the middle of a traditional market. But Iran Mall is giving you this wonderful surprise. The traditional bazaar, or Timcheh Haj Ali Akbar, will amaze any viewer. a market that is inspired by the traditional markets of Iranian cities, and a variety of decorations have been used in it. We invite you to pay attention to the design details of this market. The existence of a mirror hall in the heart of the traditional Iranian bazaar is a great surprise. The mirror hall, whose walls and ceiling are made up of millions of small and large mirror pieces, is in front of you. In the westernmost point of the suborder of the traditional Iran Mall market, 2 sash doors will lead you to one of the most beautiful and elegant spaces of this large complex. If you're a guest for business meetings or you go to Iran Mall with family and friends for shopping, you can enjoy delicious food and drinks prepared by the best local, national, and international chefs. It can be boldly said that if someone has come to Iran Mall and has not watched the garden of the meeting, he has not seen Iran Mall yet. This brilliant space in terms of architecture is an amazing combination of the original traditions of Iranian architecture and urban planning and the most modern structures in the world today. The tradition of the Persian garden has been going on in our land for centuries and is considered as a symbol of the coexistence of man and nature. Of course, the Visit Garden is a very modern representation of the Iranian garden. When we step into this garden, a few elements stand out above all else. A waterfall that is located on one side of the garden and the water flows down it in a gradual manner. 2 rows of special species of palm trees, and the path that the water takes along the garden to reach the cafe at the end of the garden. One of the most striking components of the garden is the unique design of the wall and ceiling. Finally, I must add, all these parts that you saw in my video were only a part of Iran Mall. I will put short videos on YouTube that are related to other parts of Iran Mall. And thank you for watching this video.